385 Hidden Hills. So maybe paint that side gate there. We do have a lot of grass. So we have a little tile area at the entry, and then we have carpet lines. So there's a really strong smell in this house, and I'm fairly sure it's cat pee. So, especially because it's a one-story, that's fine, we can fix it. Remove all the flooring, repaint. If it's really bad, then we may have to paint with Kills, and then paint with regular paint. The fridge actually looks good. And get that door to open easily. This is a great backyard. This is the side of the house that gets the evening sun. The afternoon sun comes from over here. Great patio cover. There's a little drop off there. It smells like cat pee out here too. So I don't know why it smells so strong. I guess you would power wash this slab here. Maybe the property manager and handyman will have an idea of what to do. Oh, that's when they're here. Okay. So, 2 windows, I believe. Oh, sorry. 4, 5. 5 windows. $200 to replace each of these lights. This flooring actually looks to be in pretty good condition. I just don't know if we can keep it because of the smell. So, property manager will decide that in person. I think we're at 5, so that would be window 6. Drain ring 65. Replace this flooring. Oh. Or rekey that door on the left. Huh. Window 7. Window 8. Repaint all the cabinets in the house. It's about $1,000. Okay, that's it.